We're walking back. Great night. And just like that, our time in Phuket has come to an end. So we've got travel day today. It's just coming up to 6:30 in the morning. We're going to grab breakfast, jump in the hire car and head back to the airport for our 4 nights in Bangkok. So we've got a hotel not too far from Nana Plaza, so it'll be quite interesting having a look there, see what that has to offer for the nightlife scene. Yeah, and we'll see what we can get into the last 4 days in Bangkok. Phuket's been amazing, really good. We really enjoyed it. The old town was a different vibe to Patong Beach. We definitely enjoyed Patong Beach better than the old town, and I think we would definitely come back to Patong Beach. Maybe a preference even over Pattaya, but we'll sum up, you know, at the end of the trip and say exactly how things went. So we'll see what our internal domestic flight to Bangkok goes like. It was great coming over, really easy from Bangkok to Phuket. Hopefully it will be the same. Got to drop the hire car off, get checked in, yeah, and we'll just hopefully have a smooth trip. So I'll see you the other side. We have managed to clear security, get through the baggage area and also get our boarding passes printed, all in around about 10 to 15 minutes. So it was absolutely spot on. There's really no hold-ups. It wasn't too busy, everything was flowing really nicely. Yeah, so if anyone's considering the domestic internal flight from Bangkok to Phuket and Phuket back to Bangkok, I would definitely say go for it. You know, it's not the hassle of an international transfer at all. You go from the domestic terminal rather than the international as well. So it's really just, you know, easy, not stressful whatsoever. Yeah, and it was a good experience to get through. So we're just waiting now for the plane. Got around about 40 minutes before we can start to board, and then we'll be heading to Bangkok. So yeah, let's see how things progress. So the cost of flights for the domestic internal transfer between Phuket and Bangkok for 2 of us was £250, which I think is quite good value. Thai Airways, that was we booked it through trip.com. The flight's around about an hour and 15 or an hour and 20. You get a meal on there as well, just a sort of a bagged meal we got on the way out with a sandwich. Yeah, and it was just really smooth sailing all the way from, you know, Bangkok to Phuket, and so far going back as well, it's been absolutely spot on, so no problems. Good value for money, good service, Thai Airways. We did actually pay a little bit extra so we could take our hold luggage with us, and we had an allowance of, I think it was 30 kilograms coming out and 25 kilograms coming back. So that helped with regards to either storing our bags in Bangkok in the international airport, and it allowed us really to take our bags with us and, you know, move them around, which wasn't a problem because we had the hire car. So yeah, that was the reason why that probably cost us a little bit more than if you were just going with your hand luggage, which I think was around about 7 kilograms allowance, which we would have struggled for the amount of time we were in Phuket for. have landed in Bangkok and we've got to the hotel. Liston Swan Park View. Just chilling out in the sun. Having a wander out from the hotel, Burberry, nice Porsche, Aston Martin, another Porsche. Obviously this area is a bit affluent, very nice. You've got the Gucci shop. So this area seems to have a lot of high-end stores, I would say. Your Burberrys, your Gucci's as you've just seen, Dior. And on the opposite side, I don't know if it's a business district or whether it's hotels, but there's just some amazing buildings as well. And I'm just walking down towards Nana Plaza now. Just a Saturday night in Bangkok. House of Dior. And lots of traffic. So I'm sorry to Mr. Chang, but I've just stumbled upon something and I could not have one. Just popped in. What do we reckon it is? Oh yes, a Brewdog bar within walking distance from the hotel. Happy days. It's strange the things you miss, so I didn't really think about Monk IPA, to be honest. I was quite happy having Chang, but when I saw the next to the Brewdog bar, I had to pop in and just grab one. Done a little bit of walking this evening just around Bangkok, so just one quick one before I head back to the hotel to get ready for tonight's festivities. So yeah, all good, all good. We'll see what tonight holds. We've got a little bit of action going on here, late night mating with the monitor lizards. It's because it's so dark, it looks like it's black and white, but it isn't in black and white. But we just heard some splashing just as we come out of the hotel. Wow! There's more. Look like they're either having a good old fight or they're enjoying themselves. This is the famous Nana Plaza. Loads going on down here. You've got your bars, you've got your food, you've got whatever you want. Quite an interesting place. I'm not getting run over at the moment because I'm on the middle of the road. Just a normal night down Nana Plaza. Lots going on, lots to see. And we're walking back. Great night. What are you thinking of having? Chicken? $10.
One more, 10 baht.
Cheese.
But you want it for it?
Quite cheap. $10.
Okay.
If you want some chicken. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. It's very much appreciated. If you like the content, please drop me a comment and like the video. And if you're liking the channel, please drop me a subscribe. And thanks to everyone who's subscribed so far. It's really appreciated.